Hi guys, let's discuss about aggregation in Tableau. In Tableau, by default, the aggregation is sum. First of all, we create a chart by using category wise cells. So I created a bar chart here and I click here the tooltip part. So there are values are visible. So here you have to right click here and go to measures and you have to change any aggregation. If I want average, that is calculate the average here. So if I want here median, it is calculate on the based on median. If I want here count, so it will be give the count. If I want here minimum, so minimum value is calculate. So another way to calculate here, you have to double click here and change the aggregation. I have to change the aggregation to average. So it is calculate on the basis of this part here. Okay. So here you have to add this part, like add a multiplication by 10. If I write here multiplication by 10, then it is multiply by 10 also. So this is all about your aggregation in Tableau.